I don't even know what the character is. Oh, hey.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So here's...
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Good morning, coming at you live. It's almost 7 a.m. Gonna start the car because we're going to Formula Drift, New Jersey. All right, let's start this girl up. Let her warm up for a bit. Just make sure I'm comfortable. Yes. Time to get the breakfast. But we are en route to Formula Drift. See you soon, Jersey. As you can see, we are in a parking lot. If you guys have been here for a while, you remember her. If you're new here, this is Carrie. She's all right. Anyways.
Yeah, I'm just okay.
We broke down 15 minutes from the track and my slave went.
A jack now. So.
Yeah, Carrie and Chris came to save the day. They got a jack. I called auto parts. They got one in stock 18 minutes away.
Go piss, girl. I should have voiced it. All I heard was, and then you hear.
Did she fart?
Why would,
No,
why would you say that?
Here's the jack.
I'm all good on camera.
It's okay. On our way to AutoZone.
No pressure in it.
We're in the Holy Land. Getting myself a little treat. This is the Holy Land, Carrie. I'll pray here before I pray anywhere else.
Advanced Auto is the Holy Land.
In the body of AutoZone.
All right, I gotta give you that. Any auto parts store. Can never go wrong with a Kinder, right? Now we're on the way to Tom's.
My boyfriend.
Alright, we got the tools. Thank you, Tom. Got the part. Thank you, AutoZone. Now back to the Miata.
Kylie's making me vlog while I'm on my deathbed. It's like my contribution to this right now.
Stop whining.
No, I always whine. Oh no.
Found something that works. And what do you know? It's a glove box. Brackets. Makeshift race ramp.
You want to go backwards? You want to go forward and front?
On it. Yes, sir. So we figured out the jack situation. Jordy's gonna get in there because it's piping hot. An hour later.
Stop.
All right, Chris and Jordy are gonna go to Home Depot to find a bolt because supposedly all the threads in the block are stripped. Love that. Carrie and I are staying here with the car because it's all jacked up.
I should be like one nutty in right now.
Bump it.
Slay. And we are good for now. Back on the road. On the way to Formula Drift again, part 2. All right, 3 hours later, got our wristbands parked in the spectator lot. Unfortunately, did not make the show. It's fine. Let's go enjoy Formula Drift. That could be me holding your hand. As always, I'm only gonna record the Miatas in the lot. Okay, I lied. This is pretty darn cute. Look at that. It's hot as here.
Honestly, no, it's raining and it's cooling down. It's so nice. This wind is amazing.
I should add, last night we decided to take off my wipers, so I have no wipers.
Where's the garbage? Oh, you threw it out.
I sprayed the shit out of it with
Rain-X to the rescue.
My bearded dragon.
Breaking news!
okay on YouTube. With the umbrella on the top. You can tell she's like nervous. She's so fucking funny.
It was like a minute.
That's like good now. Like secretary. Can't park there. Still pretty. If you guys didn't watch the Formula Drift live, or if you guys weren't here, James the Machine Dean won. Congratulations. Adam LZ 3rd place and Odie 2nd. Great time besides the slave cylinder mishap this morning, and obviously. Alright guys, I thought we were gonna stay for Pro Bro Down, but we're just gonna send it home because of the incident this morning. We ain't gonna risk it for the biscuit. Am I right, Jordy?
Not a damn shot.
Clutch is halfway there, so Jordy's gonna drive home to just feel it out. And honestly, my feet are shot. Who needs to go to the gym tomorrow when today was leg day? Am I right? Good morning. I know it's weird to end the video on a good morning, but ending the video on this note, we got home at like 3:30, dropped the car at the shop. Car ran great on the way home. And I don't want to hear anyone say you can't fall asleep in Miata because my ass was slumped. But yeah, made it home safe. I hope everyone had a great time and is having a great time at Pro Bro Down. It's such a great event. I'm really upset that we didn't get to go this year, but it's fine. There's always next year. I just also want to give a big thank you to Be Forward for the engine that is in my car, because honestly, if it wasn't for them and the red Miata in the first place, this would have never been possible. And I'm really glad that the car did really exponentially well besides the slave cylinder just leaving the chat. Right, Jordy?
Yeah.
See you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe. I want to say next time we'll be tightening up the slave cylinder, making sure it's good, adjusting the clutch, and making sure that's good so we don't have any more issues. And maybe I could do a donut, because every time I go to a drift event, it just encourages me more and more to get out there and put my foot to it. Stop being a chicken foot, right? I'm trying my hardest. Thank you, Formula Drift, and everyone who helped put on the event. You did amazing. Thank you, Ignition Speed, for this amazing shirt. Take it away, Nova.